The Garmin Venu 4 is finally here, and let me tell you straight up, this smartwatch is not just another yearly refresh. This feels like a serious leap forward for Garmin in 2025. If you've been following Garmin over the years, you know their focus has always been on health, fitness, and durability. But the Venu 4 is taking that formula and combining it with smarter features, a sleeker design, and an experience that feels way more premium than most of its competitors. Now, when we talk about smartwatches in 2025, the competition is brutal. Apple has the Watch Ultra 3 lined up. Samsung is pushing the Galaxy Watch 8 and 8 Classic, and Fitbit is still hanging around with health tracking, but Garmin has always carved its own lane. With the Venu 4, Garmin is proving once again that it doesn't need to play catch-up with anyone. Instead, it's redefining what a true health-first smartwatch can be, so let's dive into what makes this watch such a big deal. First up, the design. Garmin has completely refreshed the look with slimmer bezels, a brighter AMOLED display, and smoother edges that make it look way more modern on the wrist. One of the criticisms of past Garmin watches was that while they were functional, they didn't always have that stylish, everyday appeal. The Venu 4 changes that completely. You've got a lightweight build, comfortable straps, and a design that actually competes head-on with the likes of Apple and Samsung, but with Garmin's rugged DNA still intact. It's water-resistant, durable, and perfect for workouts, but also classy enough to wear with business or casual outfits. Now, display-wise, Garmin has really stepped up. The Venu 4 comes with an upgraded AMOLED screen that's brighter outdoors, sharper in detail, and more fluid when scrolling through menus. If you've ever struggled to read your watch in bright sunlight, this upgrade is going to make a world of difference. And since Garmin has introduced its new software refinements, the interface feels smoother, more intuitive, and overall just more enjoyable to use. But here's where things get interesting. Health and fitness tracking. Garmin has always been the king of this space, and the Venu 4 takes it even further. We're talking advanced heart rate monitoring, improved sleep tracking with more accurate sleep stages, stress tracking, hydration reminders, and a massive push into recovery insights. Garmin knows that health isn't just about counting steps or tracking runs, it's about understanding recovery, stress, and your body's readiness to perform. That's why the Venu 4 introduces deeper body battery metrics, giving you real-time insights into your energy levels and guiding you on when to rest or when to push harder. And let's talk about workouts. Whether you're into running, cycling, yoga, HIIT, or even golf, Garmin has you covered. The Venu 4 adds more preloaded sports modes, better GPS accuracy, and improved training guidance. The GPS especially has been fine-tuned with dual frequency support, which means your tracking is going to be more reliable in challenging environments, like city streets with tall buildings or dense forest trails. Athletes are going to love this because it gives them the confidence that every run, every ride, every hike is being tracked with pinpoint accuracy. Battery life is another area where Garmin completely destroys the competition. The Venu 4 gives you days of use, not just hours. While Apple and Samsung are still struggling with 1 to 2 day battery life on their flagship smartwatches, Garmin is offering up to 10-12 days in smartwatch mode and even longer in battery saver modes. That's a massive deal. Think about it. No more charging your watch every single night, no more running out of juice in the middle of a trip. Garmin has always been known for its insane battery life, and the Venu 4 keeps that tradition alive, making it one of the most practical smartwatches you can buy today. Now, Garmin is also bringing smarter tools into the Venu 4. We've got deeper integration with notifications, better calendar syncing, support for more apps, and music storage that works offline with Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon Music. That means you can leave your phone at home and still have your playlist ready for a workout. The Venu 4 also features Garmin Pay, which is super convenient for contactless payments, and of course, smart notifications that let you respond to texts or handle calls depending on your phone's OS. But one of the most exciting parts of the Venu 4 is Garmin's push toward AI-driven insights. Now, this isn't Apple Intelligence, but Garmin is stepping into that territory with smarter coaching, adaptive workout plans, and recommendations that feel tailored to your lifestyle. Imagine your watch telling you not just how you slept, but also adjusting your workout schedule based on that sleep, or giving you proactive alerts about your stress levels before you even feel burnt out. That's the kind of intelligence Garmin is rolling out. And it makes the Venu 4 feel like more than just a smartwatch. It feels like a personal health coach on your wrist. Garmin has also added some social and entertainment perks. The Venu 4 includes upgraded Bluetooth connectivity for seamless pairing with headphones, smoother AirPlay-style casting for workout data to your TV, and even new animated workout guides that look incredible on the AMOLED display. These animations walk you through form and posture for exercises, making it way easier to train without relying on your phone or a separate trainer. Price-wise, Garmin is keeping things competitive. The Venu 4 starts around $349,999, which puts it right in line with the Apple Watch Series 11 and Galaxy Watch 8, but with way better battery life and a more health-focused approach. And that's what makes the Venu 4 such a compelling buy. It's not trying to be everything for everyone. It's trying to be the best smartwatch for people who actually care about health, fitness, and long-term usability. Comparisons are unavoidable here. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 might have more advanced emergency features and deeper ecosystem integration, but its battery life is nowhere near Garmin's. The Galaxy Watch 8 might be stylish and heavily tied into Samsung's ecosystem, but again, battery life and health metrics just don't match Garmin's depth. Fitbit? Well, Fitbit has been struggling ever since Google took over, and while they have decent health tracking, they simply don't have the same accuracy, GPS reliability, or ecosystem Garmin offers. So in many ways, the Venu 4 stands out as the balanced choice, stylish enough to wear daily, powerful enough to use as a fitness tool, and smart enough to keep up with your digital life. Another key area is safety features. Garmin has expanded fall detection, incident detection, and emergency SOS alerts in the Venu 4. For runners, hikers, or even everyday users, this is peace of mind. If something happens, your watch can notify contacts automatically with your location. It's a feature you hope you never need, but it's great knowing it's there. And then there's the future-proofing aspect. Garmin has hinted that the Venu 4 is just the beginning of a bigger wave of updates. With more AI-driven features coming through software updates, more advanced health sensors in the pipeline, and deeper app integrations expected down the line. That means if you buy this watch now, it's not going to feel outdated in a year. Garmin is clearly investing in this platform, and that makes the Venu 4 a smart long-term choice. So, to wrap this all up, the Garmin Venu 4 is a huge upgrade that combines Garmin's legendary fitness tracking with a smarter, sleeker, and more customizable smartwatch experience. It's got insane battery life, beautiful design, accurate GPS, advanced health insights, and just enough smart features to make it feel modern without sacrificing performance. If you're serious about fitness, care about your health, and want a watch that doesn't die on you every night, the Garmin Venu 4 is easily one of the best smartwatches you can buy in 2025.